ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Uba Preston Tinsong ubalong State President jangga National People's Party ulayathu ba mauru ula Sakhi ya ka Pynwit jang Gibreu Kiba Partai ya ka Shap jang Voice of the People Party ha ka Jingïalang balapelong da ka NPP ha Umsning Ribhoi District kadba ka Kertong ka Dr. Amperin Lengdo kadang ai jingkren ha ka rensan yalap election kabalalong ha ka Pratarik uyayong arajar arfusau. Haga Jingïalang bat gilat pathai kubor uba Preston ulayathu ba ulayakren bat returning officer bat gumjuru ya gibor penya ya ke election bakin long giba perking nang ni syakmat ya ginu gibreu ne ki kenhon giba temu ban Pynwit ha ba penlong ya ke Jingïalang.
It is very, very unfortunate seeing the incidents that has happened. One is at Umsning, and at Umsning, let me tell you, I was also present. I was there. Of course, I could not attend the public meeting at Jingïalang, but I have seen it with my own eyes. It's so unfortunate because when we were allotted the timing by the returning officer and also by the Rambashnong that our meeting starts from 4:30 up to 8 o'clock, then we just started talking, maybe around 5 something, when the speakers started delivering the speech, and especially when our candidate, Dr. Amperin Lengdo, took the mic and she started requesting, pleading, and also justifying her candidature. Some group of, I don't know, should I say boys or thing, I don't know, but some group of people, they're trying to disturb by saying, how pra. Then Dr. Amperin, being the candidate, she requested these people, please leave this place. You already had your meeting. And from our side, from the party, we never disturbed and we never allowed any of our supporters to disturb. Not only BPP meeting, but any political meeting of any party. We restrain, and then we have issued also the request and the order to all the constituency. Whenever public meeting is to be held by any candidate, let us respect, we listen their principle, we listen their pleading, and ultimately when we go home, we have to decide ourselves quietly, personally, then go to the polling booth. But in the case of these people at Umsning from BPP, still, then some leaders, they requested them, please stop and please leave the place. They don't. Still over there. Then after Kong Amperin spoke, then one more gentleman took over the mic, started again his speech. Again, second time, again how they wanted to disturb the meeting that we had. Then ultimately the Dorbashnong, the Rangbashnong, and then ultimately even our people, they went and requested them again, please stop. Then the police came, and then the police did their own duty. And after that, it was okay. Then when I took over the mic also, everything was fine, it was okay. But again, when the Pynwit spoke again, these people came again, and then they started disturbing the meeting, which is very, very unfortunate. I think we should not allow all this kind of things to happen. Not only to NPP candidate, but to any political party. So we have already instructed the government. I've already spoken even to RO and then to the election machinery authorized by the election commission that they have to be more stringent and then more proactive to make sure that such things should not happen. And then let me tell you, public meeting again at Mairang, I was there. When the local MDC of Mairang, Batscam, he took the mic. When he started delivering his speech, again, I don't know what's happening. Few group of people, maybe 4 or 5 of them, they started again disturbing the meeting. Then over there, Batscam also, he requested them, please leave the place. If you want to listen, please listen. But if you don't, kindly leave the place. Because again, it is our allotted time. We have to, we have to deliver the speech. We have to also explain our agenda. We have to tell the people that this is what we wanted to do during the campaign. But again, over there, so it happened the same thing. So ultimately, the local DOBA members, they have taken care, and then again they went and talked to these people, and then ultimately they became quiet. So same thing, it happened last night at Jingïalang, which I personally feel is not good. And this happened, every meeting means with pra. When we have meeting with other political parties, in fact, nothing was there. We don't have such problem. I don't know why these people, they look so desperate. Is it because they knew that they are losing? Or I don't know for what? Why should they act very, very desperately like this? Their behavior looks like that. So therefore, I would like to appeal to all the political parties. Let us make sure the dignity of the state is more important than anything else. And number 2, let the election campaign goes on peacefully. Whoever wanted to vote for whom, that we leave it to the wisdom of voters. So this is my request to all the voters, not only in Shillong Parliament Constituency, but also in Tura Parliament Constituency. We maintain peace, we maintain our decorum, and we should maintain our dignity too. See, from the state government side, we have our own, our own say on this, and the direction has been given, and I've told DG, I've told the respective SPs to be alert and also not to allow such disturbances to happen while campaigning. Any party, any candidate, wherever they go for campaigning, after due process, after due allotment made by the election commission, means nobody should disrespect, nobody should come in between to disturb such campaign of any candidates that we have. We are going to do that, and we have to bring to the notice of the election commission, because this kind of disturbances we don't like to happen, because you don't know, especially the public meeting in the evening, anything may happen. Anything, any incident which is unwarranted may happen. So therefore, we will lodge a complaint. We will request the election commission to step in and to make sure that fair, square campaign and election be held in the state of Meghalaya. As I said to you, see, first time ever I've seen this kind of things that's happening now. Very unfortunate. Otherwise, all these past years, what happened was MP election, very cool, calm. Nothing of such altercation, these that happened. But this time, as I said to you, it's very, very unfortunate. And especially As I said to you, the members of the BPP look so desperate. The way they they disturb wherever the public meeting held, I think it's totally unwanted.